A great plant for any garden is this baby in front of me. And I have to tell you, I've had 4 different colors in my garden. They've been in there for probably about 4 years. What do I do to them? Not much. Give them a good feeding once a month to encourage the good flower spikes, of course, and good foliage. What is it? It's called an Alstroemeria. Its common name, which you might know already, is called an Inca lily. And what do they love? They love lots of sun. They can do with the full morning sun, either or the afternoon shade, or vice versa. Great plants to fill spaces within the garden and give you loads of color throughout the summer. And remember, the other good thing about Inca lilies is that you can pick them and use them in the vase. And when you're picking them, remember, you don't cut them with a pair of secateurs. You grab the stem, hold it as close to the base of the plant as possible, give it a tug, out it comes, just like that. You can strip it, and there you've got beautiful for the cut flower to put into a vase. And this is the way that you remove it. Do never ever cut it. When you're pulling it, what you basically do is, because it's got bulbs underneath it, it grows by bulbs, you're encouraging a new growth spurt. Because wherever you're pulling it off, remember, it's almost like pruning, encouraging it to send up another beautiful spike of green leaves. And of course, after the green leaves, come gorgeous flowers. Plant these in your garden. You can use them in and around the home. And the colors are dazzling.